Okay, so this is the finished part on this end. That's pretty tight right there. It's tight. It's liquid tight, not seal tight. This is, let's see if I can get it to focus a little better. There we go. Some of the common normally open on this particular one. Always meter it before you wire it up. Resistor's in parallel with the wire, so it's landing underneath the same contacts. Give it a good tug. And I check it with a meter by actually doing that and turning the wheel and watching it with my meter and see it go from a normally open, like an infinity, to a dead short. So we flexed over, let some slack. You push it into the connector first, and then bring that up on there. You bottom it all the way out, and we used thread tape on all that so that it wouldn't leak. And we're going to drill a small hole in the bottom of it because this is getting water in it, that old black nasty water. So that way it gives it a place to leak out. All right, thank you. Please like and subscribe.